You've seen them, haven't you? Those men who walk into a woman's life leave an imprint so deep it feels tattooed on her soul, and then vanish, only for her to find herself obsessively replaying every moment, every glance, every word. And then there are the others. The ones who try too hard, chase too fiercely, and are forgotten before their echo even fades. It's not magic, it's not some genetic lottery, and it's certainly not about sending endless good morning texts like a desperate puppy. If you're doing that, trust me, she's not missing you. She's probably rolling her eyes while another guy, the one who barely lifts a finger, occupies every inch of her mind. Today we're flipping the script. I'm going to pull back the curtain on the deepest psychological triggers that make a woman not just think about you, but ache for your presence, even when she tries to convince herself she's too busy. You're about to discover how to become the man who isn't just remembered, but genuinely missed. It all boils down to understanding a fundamental truth. Women don't miss men who chase them. They miss the men who profoundly change their emotional state. Think about it. Her DMs are flooded. Her social media is a constant validation machine. Compliments are a dime a dozen. None of it truly moves her. But then you walk in. You don't beg for her attention. You create it. You don't try to win her time. You make her value it. And when you strategically step back, a strange alchemy begins in her mind. She starts replaying your conversations, wondering what you're doing, why you haven't texted, why you seem so calm while her thoughts are a whirlwind. This is the invisible grip, the psychological imprint that keeps you lodged in her mind long after you've gone. And the most powerful secret? It's not about manipulation. It's about building emotional contrast, planting seeds of curiosity and cultivating a life so compelling, she can't help but want to be a part of it. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 most potent psychological triggers that make a woman utterly obsessed with your absence. You'll learn how to etch yourself into her emotional landscape, how to disappear strategically without ever looking weak, and how to forge a life that magnetizes her back to you, effortlessly. By the end of this, you won't just understand why some men are unforgettable, you'll become one of them. Trigger 1. The architect of emotion. Plant unforgettable memories. Not just facts. Most men make a critical mistake. They focus on impressing with facts, achievements, or surface-level conversations. What do? How was your day? I went to the gym. This is vanilla ice cream in a world craving a gourmet dessert. Women don't miss people. They miss the feelings those people evoke. If your interactions are devoid of emotional resonance, there's nothing for her subconscious to cling to. Your mission is to become an architect of emotion, planting indelible mental souvenirs that she stumbles upon long after you're gone. This isn't about grand gestures every time. It's about specificity and depth. Inside jokes. Create an inside joke, a silly phrase, or a shared observation that only the two of you understand. The next time she hears or sees something related to it, her mind will instantly flash back to you and the feeling of that shared secret. Unique nicknames. A nickname that only you call her. One that captures a unique facet of her personality. You genuinely appreciate creates an intimate bond. It signals a level of observation and care that most men overlook. Moments of deep understanding. This is gold. Say something that shows you understand her better than she understands herself, or articulate a feeling she's struggling to express. For example, you have this incredible drive, but sometimes I can tell you're your own toughest critic. This hits different. It makes her feel seen, truly seen, and that feeling is a powerful emotional hook. Shared sensory experiences. Play a specific song during a pivotal moment. Take her to a unique coffee shop or even introduce her to a niche hobby. Later, when she encounters that song, smells that coffee, or sees something related to that hobby, she'll be transported back to the memory of you and the emotional state you created. It's about making her feel something profound, whether it's laughter that makes her cheeks ache, a sense of being completely understood, or an exhilarating burst of novelty. Once she associates these powerful emotional states with your presence, your absence won't just be silence. It will feel like a genuine void, a missing piece in her emotional landscape. That, my friend, is what you want. Trigger 2. The push and pull. Give her a taste, then strategically withdraw. This is where most men crash and burn. They either give her nothing and expect her to chase, which usually fails, or they inundate her with attention, making themselves utterly predictable and, frankly, boring. There's a delicate, powerful sweet spot. Give her an intoxicating taste of your presence, then pull back just enough for her to crave the next encounter. Think of it like her favorite dessert. If she ate it every single day, it would lose its special allure. The craving, the anticipation, the genuine enjoyment comes from its scarcity. When you're with her, be all in. Be hyper-present, put your phone away. Lock eyes with her. Listen intently, not just to respond, but to genuinely understand. Be playful, tease her, make her laugh until her stomach hurts. Give her that deep, locked-in eye contact that makes her feel like the only woman in the room, the center of your universe for that moment. Share something vulnerable or unexpected about yourself that most people don't know, creating a fleeting moment of deep connection. The dopamine drop. This is pure neuroscience. When you give her these intense bursts of positive emotion, her brain releases dopamine, the reward chemical. She feels good, she feels a rush, she feels alive. But when you then strategically pull back, her brain doesn't like the sudden drop in dopamine. It starts searching for the source of that high, you. This is why she'll replay your last date in her mind. Why she'll subconsciously check if you've viewed her stories. Why she'll find herself thinking about you without even realizing she's trying to. The art of the exit. When you end an interaction, leave her wanting more. Don't drag it out until the conversation dies. End on a high note. I've had an incredible time with you tonight, but I've got to run. I'll text you later. This isn't ghosting or punishing her. It's simply allowing the dust to settle, creating space for her to genuinely feel the stark difference between your captivating presence and your momentary absence. This creates a powerful longing, a desire to get back to that high you provided. Trigger 3. The unshakable world. Build a life so rich, she'll fight for a place in it. If your life is an empty canvas, waiting for her to paint meaning onto it, she won't miss you. She'll avoid you. Women are not attracted to men whose world revolves around waiting for her texts, scrolling social media, or binging Netflix. Why would she miss someone whose life offers nothing more than what she already has or can easily get? Women miss men who pull them into a richer, more exciting reality. A man whose days are filled with purpose, challenges, growth, and passion. Cultivate your purpose. This could be building a business, mastering a complex skill, hitting ambitious fitness goals, diving deep into a fascinating hobby, traveling, or being actively engaged with a thriving social circle that inspires you. When she sees you genuinely lit up by your own life, by things that would be happening whether she was around or not, the dynamic shifts entirely. She realizes she's not entering a void. She's stepping into a life that already has immense momentum. The status that matters. This isn't about flashy cars or fake flexing. It's about the undeniable status of a man who has direction, a mission, and a life that is intrinsically valuable. A man on a clear path is infinitely more magnetic than a man drifting aimlessly. The tale of two men. Imagine two guys. Guy A is always available. His week's highlight is her phone call. His stories are about what he watched online. He's constantly scrolling, waiting for her text. Guy B is harder to catch, not because he's ignoring her, but because his life is genuinely full. Mondays are for his gym and martial arts. Tuesdays, he's deep in a passion project. Thursdays, he's exploring a new city or having a stimulating discussion with friends. When they do connect, he has new stories, fresh energy, and novel experiences to share. Who do you think she'll miss more? It's Guy B every single time. Not because he's playing games, but because his life is genuinely worth missing. Magnetic resonance. When you live a life overflowing with purpose, adventure, and self-growth, you don't need to try and make her miss you. She'll feel the pull of your momentum, and when she's not part of it, she'll feel that absence viscerally. Furthermore, a rich life naturally makes you an incredible storyteller. You'll always have compelling narratives, fresh perspectives, and an infectious energy that becomes profoundly addictive. She won't just miss you. She'll miss the way being around you makes her feel bigger, fuller, and more exciting. Trigger 4. The strategic disappearance. Scarcity breeds value. The single biggest mistake men make is being too available. They believe that constantly being there will show her how much they care. What it actually shows is a man with nothing better to do than orbit her life like a lost satellite. Human psychology is hardwired to value scarcity. If something is always present, always within reach, we stop noticing it. Think about driving the same route every day. You barely see the scenery, but take a different road for a week, then return to the old one. And suddenly you notice details you'd forgotten. Disrupt the pattern. If you're always instantly replying, always free to hang out, she stops appreciating your time, your presence, and your energy. Strategic absence disrupts this pattern. It reminds her that you are not just there. You are a man with a dynamic life she has to earn her way into. Priorities. Beyond her. This isn't about ignoring her or playing hard to get. It's about demonstrating, through your actions, that you have priorities and commitments that extend beyond her. Delayed responses. Don't instantly reply to every text. Wait until you're genuinely free, sometimes even a few hours. This signals you have other things occupying your attention. Non-negotiable commitments. Have hobbies, passions, and commitments that are sacred. Don't drop everything just because she's bored or wants to hang out on a whim. I'd love to, but I've got my hobby class friends on Tuesday. How about Wednesday or Thursday instead? The mental labyrinth. When you implement strategic absence, a beautiful magic unfolds in her mind. She'll start wondering, what's he doing? Who's he with? Why isn't he chasing me like other guys? This potent cocktail of curiosity mixed with a subtle fear of losing your attention is precisely what makes her miss you. It elevates your perceived value and makes your presence feel like a genuine gift, not an entitlement. Trigger 5. The unpeeled onion. Keep a whisper of mystery alive. One of the fastest ways to extinguish attraction is to let her feel like she's figured you out within the first week or two of meeting. If she knows exactly where you are, what you're doing, who you're with, and can predict your next sentence, congratulations, you've turned yourself into a predictable, frankly, uninteresting movie. Women are irresistibly drawn to mystery, not because they enjoy games, but because curiosity is an incredibly addictive human emotion. Our nature compels us to solve puzzles. The man she can't fully read, the one with hidden depths, becomes the man she can't stop thinking about. Layers, not walls. This doesn't mean being shady or dishonest. It means keeping some layers to yourself, allowing her to gradually peel them back over time like an onion. Selective disclosure. Social media. Don't post your entire life on social media. Leave some experiences for direct sharing. Conversations. Hint at exciting projects or goals you're working on without giving every single detail. I had a crazy breakthrough on this project I'm passionate about today, rather than a full chronological breakdown. Storytelling. Tell a captivating story, but leave out the ending, promising to finish it next time. Mention plans but not the full itinerary. Let her imagination fill in the blanks. The unanswered question. Every unanswered question you leave, every intriguing breadcrumb you drop is another reason her mind wanders back to you, trying to connect the dots, eager to discover more. Relationships thrive on unfolding stories, on continuous discovery. Don't prematurely end the narrative. Maintain enough intrigue to ensure she always feels there's more to explore beneath the surface. This keeps you fresh, exciting, and perpetually on her mind. Trigger 6. The confident calm. Be unflappable in her storm. Women are constantly testing men, often subconsciously. They observe how you react under pressure, how you handle their emotional fluctuations, and whether you remain grounded when their world feels chaotic. Most men crumble under these tests, either becoming overly reactive, desperate for her approval, or trying too hard to fix her emotions. This screams insecurity and diminishes your perceived value. The man she misses is the one who remains a confident, calm anchor in her emotional storm. Emotional resilience. When she's having a bad day, or she's being moody, or she throws out a subtle test, don't take the bait and get defensive or match her energy. Instead, offer a steady, understanding presence, but don't get sucked into her drama. Sounds like you had a rough day. I'm here if you want to talk about it, but no pressure. Then, gracefully pivot or continue with your plans. Inner validation. She wants to know you're not easily shaken, that your happiness and sense of self aren't dependent on her moods or reactions. This means you derive your validation from within, from your purpose, your achievements, and your inner strength, not from her constant approval. The contrast effect. When other men are panicking or trying to overcompensate, Your unflappable confidence creates a powerful contrast. She sees you as a source of stability, a safe harbor, and an intriguing challenge. This makes her feel a sense of security and respect for you that most other men fail to inspire. When you're not around, she'll miss that calming, confident presence that made her feel safe and intrigued at the same time. This subtle strength makes you profoundly unforgettable. Trigger 7. The future pacing. Whisper promises of exciting shared futures. Humans are inherently future-oriented creatures. We constantly think about what's next, what's coming, what possibilities lie ahead. The man a woman truly misses isn't just someone who created great past memories. He's someone who subtly plants seeds of exciting future possibilities in her mind. This isn't about making grand, premature commitments. It's about gently hinting at shared experiences, adventures, or discoveries that you could embark on together. Subtle suggestions. Oh, you love that artist, that type of food, that city? I know this incredible place that would be perfect for that. We should definitely check it out sometime. Or, I'm planning a trip to interesting place later this year. You'd love the specific activity there. Shared interests as blueprints. When you discover a shared passion or a common dream, acknowledge it and frame it as a potential future experience. We both love hiking, don't we? There's this trail I've been wanting to explore. Creating anticipation. These subtle mentions create a sense of anticipation and excitement. They allow her to mentally project herself into a future with you, a future filled with enjoyable shared moments. This makes her feel like there's always something more to look forward to, something she might miss out on if you're not around. The unfinished story of tomorrow. Just like leaving a story unfinished. Leaving the potential for future adventures creates a mental vacuum. She'll wonder about those unspoken possibilities, those shared experiences waiting to happen. This powerful future pacing keeps you relevant in her mind, not just as a figure from her past, but as a potential architect of her exciting future. She won't just miss your presence. She'll miss the future you subtly hinted at, the experiences she could have shared with you. To wrap this up, the guy she can't stop thinking about isn't the one blowing up her phone or constantly seeking her validation. It's the man who understands his own immense value, who cultivates an incredible life, who artfully creates unforgettable emotional moments, and who then strategically steps back just enough for her to viscerally feel the void his absence creates. He's the man who builds an emotional landscape so compelling, so intrinsically interesting, that her mind naturally gravitates back to him. If you're ready to stop being the forgotten man and start being the one she can't get out of her head, truly integrate these triggers into your life. Don't just watch this video and move on. Start applying these principles. The transformation in your interactions and her responses will be undeniable. If this video helped you understand the subtle but powerful psychology of making her miss you, do me a favor. Smash that like button. Seriously, it helps this channel reach more men who need to hear this. And if you want to keep unlocking the secrets of attraction and becoming the most magnetic version of yourself, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Your journey to becoming unforgettable starts now.